Hello and welcome. My name is Abdul. I am the owner and proprietor at Zayani Indian Restaurant, and we've been here since 2009, and we're located literally half a mile from Heathrow Terminal 1, 2 and 3. We did the most absolute fantastic chutney tray, as you saw there, just a quick shot of that. Yeah, that's me, the guy in the white shirt taking the orders. And as you can see from this quick video, that we do have a really nice place. We do absolutely fantastic food, and if you're happy to be passing through Heathrow, please come and give us a try. So thanks for watching our short video, and hopefully we'll get to see you sometime if you're passing through Heathrow. And also, if you fancy cooking for yourself, I also do YouTube channel as Mr. Zayani. Check me out there as well. Thanks. Bye for now.